Okay, just some additional ideas. I have some pictures and stuff that need to be hanged, so I think, yeah, this wall here could be for big painting, the bird and the bull painting I have, and then this one here is for De Prospero, and then once again we'll put shelves or some work here, and then this will all be shelved out like entertainment center, storage, cabinets, shelves. I'm not sure what this little piece of plywood is up here. Must be a hole or something, I don't know, that goes upstairs. I guess that'll be dealt with sooner or later. And then I don't know, these gas lines may have to be moved around to accommodate kitchen design, but that's doable after the meter. I think that's pretty doable. That shouldn't be so difficult. That can be done with the plumber, I believe. And then again, here's the drainage. I had a few minutes from the last video, just rethinking everything. We'll go through again. Just see what we got here. Yeah, we have some even internet cable. And then this bedroom here, you can see the workers left everything, but this will be, there won't be much to do here. It's just thinking about radiator placement, maybe, back to back with the other room, like one radiator here, down here, and then go to the other bedroom. And then we could put one here so that it uses less plumbing lines. I don't know if it'll come through the floor or through the ceiling yet. That's something I have to consult an expert. But there's a lot of work. I don't know, I'm guessing somewhere between 3 and 18 months, depending on the pace. Depending if I get a general contractor or I act as my own general contractor and then have to find the subs myself. I mean, I already made a project plan and everything, and even divided it into sprints. Being an IT guy, kind of do it agile, made a backlog, and all the tasks, broke it down into several parts. That'll come up in another video. But okay, that's enough of the tour here. I guess, here's this messed up floor. Yep, and scraps. Yep, and that's the water main down there on the floor.